Oh yeah. Hi guys. Good evening. I want to trust that you are doing well and you are doing good. Please help me confirm if my audio and my video is still on and is still live. Um yes, so my name is Paul. If you are just tuning in for the first time, I am currently doing my 100 days of cloud security, and today's my 13th day, and I was able to like go through the fundamentals of cloud computing to an extent, cloud security to an extent. And yesterday I was able to finalize IM across clouds, and yeah, I had fun while doing it. And yeah, so good evening once again. I don't know, I'm like short of words this evening. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just short of words. So basically, yeah, I um I don't know, I'm like disorganized a little bit. So I'll be working on a lab today, and to be very, very honest, I am not really sure if I am going to be able to like finish the lab. Um, I don't know why, but I'm not sure if I'm going to finish the lab because I'm like low on lights, right? So I really don't know. But yeah, give me like a couple of seconds. I'm gonna be back. Yeah, so I've been able to like walk around the live like a little bit. If you notice, I have like a couple of transitions coming in and going out. I have like the stream is gonna look a little bit different today, but I'm trying to like set it up. But I'm not like there. I'm not like there totally. But I'm just like trying to look for how to like improve the aesthetics of the live stream so it doesn't like get super boring and maybe just super plain and all. So I have like a couple of, so if you can see, I don't know if it's the left or the right. I think the left hand side of my screen, you will notice that there's like a live chat there. I don't know if it's gonna work this evening. I'm not really sure. Yeah, so the live chat on the screen is not working yet, and I don't know why, but I'm going to like try and like get a fix for it. So straight to today's business, I am going to be working on a lab, on an IAM lab. I had like a couple of contemplations whether I wanted to like do whether I wanted to do labs around cloud in cloud go, so I wanted to like do clouds in pond labs. So I'm just going to like spin up the two and see which one I'm going to do between the two. Oh yeah, the wow, the live chat is working, but I think it's like a little bit small. It should be big for you guys, but to me, maybe because I'm like super far, so it's like small for me to see. So let me just share my screen. Okay, so this is the way my screen is gonna look like from now henceforth. The little designs on top, the frames and everything. But yeah, let me just quit talking and spin up my machine. Sorry, bring Abby. Just go to the what's it called? I am so disorganized this night. To be very honest, like I'm super disorganized. Okay, I'm trying to launch my browser and see what lab, what browser I'm going to use. So I think Okay. Don't tell me this live is buffering. Please don't be smooth. And I don't know. The stream seems like a little bit dry today. I don't know. Today's Friday. Everybody must like go and chill. But yeah, there's no rest for me. There's no rest for me at all. I really don't. I really have not like figured out why my CPU overclocks whenever I try to, you know, bring up my browser in my calling machine. I know it's like a general problem, but I really don't know why it happens. Like I do not know why it happens. It pisses me off like most of the time. But there's nothing I can do about it. Come on. Like look at how the thing is just overclocking. It's a lot. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna chill till it loads well. And to be very honest, I want to close this Firefox and open open it again. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, I think let me close this Firefox. Right, then I'm going to bring in this guy to this screen so that we can see. So I want to go back to labs. I'm gonna go back to labs and I want to search for IAM. Did this thing just make my machine this slow? Oh, so let me just put up my terminal. Ah, this Firefox I tried bringing up has messed up. That's messed up my laptop. So we have a couple of. Have you loaded? No, you haven't. So let me just search again for IAM. Why is this guy not loading? Come on. Okay, so let me see. Let me log in first. Okay, so um, let me see. IAM. Like my laptop is really overclocking. And if the lab knows that it is not going to work, I'm just going to like move on and maybe just study again. I actually have an exam tomorrow afternoon. I have an exam by I think 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, and it's not even in my field. It's in software engineering. I'm trying to what's it called? I'm trying to like I'm in like this competition here, and they are like giving out prizes to some people across some fields, and apparently cybersecurity is not there. I could have gone for content creating or content creation because they have like a track for content creation, but I really did not know whether I wanted to like go for maybe content creation or software engineering. So I just put in for software engineering, and I have an exam tomorrow, which I really do not know so much about. That I've been trying to read. Actually, I've been trying to read, but I know that I've not read enough. I know I did. Yeah, I think maybe like maybe it was last year. When I was a 300 level, I was able to do my third year. I was able to do SDLC, which is software development, and software development is part of what I'll be reading, yeah, for the exam. So it's like a win. I tell you. Okay. Uh, I don't know. My laptop is telling me that I am not connected to the internet, and I do not know why that is happening. Also, I think Chromium is stable. Hi, brother. Trust you good. Good evening. I really do not understand what's going on again. I am connected to the internet. Oh yeah, thank you very much. I'm connected to the internet, and let me just share my screen so you can see why I'm going through. Yep. So I am like I'm connected to the internet, right? If I'm not connected to to the internet, I'll not be streaming. Yeah. But oh, could it be? I am actually a Nigerian. I am from Nigeria. My machine is like my machine is messing up. This is why I need you guys to support me on Ko-fi. I should have actually brought I should have pasted my link in the stream, but because I had to like do certain changes. Yeah, I know you're from India. Of course, I've seen your maybe surname or your name, which is Bai. Why not? We used to watch Indian movies growing up. Okay, so I have cloud goods here too. Um, why is this machine telling me that I'm not connected to the internet? I am actually connected to the internet. Edit VMs. Let me see. Movable devices. Let me disconnect and connect it again. This guy should not. Don't do this to me this evening. Can't I have a day and I you know not have a very smooth stream? Come on. So I think I'm just going to I'll refresh the I refresh my Kali. Yeah, I used to watch Indian movies growing up. It's like a thing in my country. So am I a software developer? No, I am not a software developer. I'm actually into cybersecurity, and presently I am studying to become a better cloud security guy. And I only mentioned software development because there was a course I did in school that involved software development, the theory, not the practical, just the theory. How software development life cycle, the whole algorithm and data structure thing. That was what I did in school, like one of those years, if I'm right, yeah. But I really just brought that up because I said I have an exam coming up. Like I have an assessment tomorrow afternoon, and I'm actually going to be studying for that. But I have to like use one stone to kill two birds. So I might leave the stream on time. If I should see that light goes off, then I would just stop the stream for this evening. But during the day, I was able to like achieve one or two things. I was able to like read up on some things and have better understanding of what it is that I'm going through. Oh, I would definitely reach out to people who would need one, and if there's a way you can, where did you get the link to the stream? Where did you get the link to the stream? Whether you can text me from there. Or you found me on YouTube. Okay, so I'm spinning up my machine again. Um, okay, okay. I'm gonna check um real estate edits. I'm gonna okay. I think I should be able to like assimilate that real estate edits. I'm gonna check. So if you guys are actually, I would check, and of course if you are like super super good, if you are okay, I'm going to like of course endorse you, and maybe not maybe not vouch for you, but then let me see you first, right? Honestly, I just don't want it to look as though I just came to vibe on this stream. Because at this point, the way YouTube has been humbling me, the way my laptop has been humbling me, the way my machines, like my virtual machines, has been humbling me. Like, bro, we are going through a lot. I need to I need to spin up the machine again. I do not know what's wrong with my machine, and I've used this thing today. It wants to be disgracing its generation, not me. So in lieu of that, let me just keep looking for what I was looking for. Okay, so I was looking for something on IAM. Let me just pull this to the side so I can see what's going on. So I'm looking for something around IAM, and I am not getting anything. So let me just check cloud goods. Let me just check cloud goods and see what we have on the table. Okay, so um, cloud goods. I need to see what this guy is doing. Okay, so let me go through this folder and me spin. Let me check scenarios. Um, Scenarios. Yeah, do have a nice day, bro. I'm gonna reach out to you if need be. Thank you. Okay. So there are a couple of IAM workstations, a couple of IAM scenarios. Um, I could not find this guy on. I could not find him on YouTube. Could not find him on YouTube. He said real estate edits. I couldn't find anybody that goes with that channel. Yeah. Okay. As I was saying, there are a couple of IAM walkthroughs, scenarios rather. We have privilege escalation by EC2. This is by attachments. This is by key rotation. This is by rollback. Let me check my notepad. Let me check my notepad. Okay. So I think my machine is, what was wrong? What was wrong? Come on. Shut down. Let me try and see if I can use. Let me see if I can use Parrot. If Parrot doesn't work, man. It's always like kind of tiring when I know that, oh, I'm expecting something to work and it doesn't work when I need it to work. Don't stress my head. Don't actually stress my head. So I'm trying to spin up Parrot. I hope it works. Honestly, I think at some point, troubleshooting should be another form of content for me, because I'm always like, every blessed day, every new day, I'm always seeing like new set of shages. Ah, if this is, I'm like 30 minutes into the stream already. If this guy doesn't work, I'm just gonna end the stream and just go and read offline. Then I'm maybe going to tweet, or write, maybe post this night against tomorrow. So whichever one works for me. Oh. Is it just? I don't know if it is just me. I've not like used parrots in a while. This this signing in is quite different from what I used to know. My head is paining me already. Please, if you are if you're also in the chat, I have like a couple of people on the stream. Please, if you are in the chat, please just let me know now. Like, let me know now if my audio is okay, and if my video is not choppy. Please let me know now. Thank you. Oh my god. I think I'm going to have to, maybe be spinning up my machines, test run couple of, because I've used this machine today. I'm usually like turning off my machines. Like I'm always like I'm used to turning off my laptop before I come back to stream. So that when I come to stream, I do not have like reasons to, have lags and all of those things. Not knowing that this is going to like give me another issue. I really don't know what's going on at this point. I'm like 30 minutes into the stream and there is no, I have not done anything. Like it's like 31 minutes into the stream. I have not done anything. And it can actually be frustrating, to be very honest. Because I'm trying to like be on time, and I honestly don't know what's going on, because I've used my Kali today. I've used my Kali today. I've not used parrots today though. But I don't know why it is this slow. It shouldn't be this slow. Your voice is not audible. I'm coming. Let me see if I can bring it up a little bit. How is this? How is this? I'm trying to like not, blast you people's hair. How is this, Bappy? Is this better? Okay, so I think I have my machine hub. So let me see if I can do something with it. So I want to do the IAM privilege escalation by attachment or with attachment. So apparently I'm trying to like solve a lab, a cloud goats lab, because I've been on my 100 days of cloud security, and I was able to like do, a couple of cloud security fundamentals over like couple of streams. So today that I have today, okay, I think I have been able to like do some form of theory. Now I just want to like do some labs, right? To just, complement the theories that I've been doing. Yeah, thank you for asking. So since I've been doing IAM, I want to like do a couple of IAM labs. and I'm definitely going to like cross check with Pond Labs so that I can do like a couple of IAM labs. So I was even like contemplating which of the platforms I want to do, I want to use rather. And let me go back a little bit. So I should be able to search. Okay, let me just type bridge. Or let me type Azure. I don't know if the search is not working. I think the search is not working. So let me just log in. Then let me so this is the lab I want to do. Privilege escalation by attachments. So let me, hey God, I don't know where I saved. My CPU is like, I don't know, it's overclocking. CPU is overclocking and I don't know what's going on. So I think it should probably be in desktop or downloads. My um my machine shouldn't be this empty. I honestly don't know what's going on. Like I honestly do not know what's going on. My machine should not be this empty. I have like couple of things on this machine, and here I am with zero proof. Wow. I am honestly cooked. To be very honest, I'm so cooked. I am so cooked. So let's see which one comes up first. So I've honestly just come to this stream. I just come and vibe. To be very honest. If it doesn't work out, I'm honestly just going to like quit the stream and go and prepare for my exam tomorrow. Oh, thank you for letting me know that now the sound is okay. So I'm trying to use another OS again, which is Pon Cloud OS. They own the same, it is the same agency or company that owns Pond Labs. There's these guys, they own this OS that I'm trying to use. This OS has actually stressed me at the beginning of the stream, but I choose not to give up. Choose not to give up. Pick your. So I think blue team, then AWS. Identify IAM breaches with CloudTrail. Okay, so what am I going to do next? I'm a first year CSE. Is CSE computer science and engineering students? I just want to learn from random talents. It's fine to explore and begin to like develop interest in whatever it is that you want to do, but just don't take too much of time. So initially, um I'm meant to like do a lab, a hands-on lab, like just like practical, and is it that blue team or red team? Is that I'm hacking, maybe like trying to figure out or maybe defend something? So that is what I am meant to like do today. But apparently, my machine is giving me a very big issue. So that's why it seems as though I've like been 30 minutes in and I have not been able to like do anything. What are the kind of things you have interest in, Bappy? What kind of things do you have interest in? Like tech wise, yeah. Okay, I think I know of this one. This one too is not loading. Like what's going on? It is all of my machines. Could it be an issue with my VMware? Maybe I should let me close my VMware. Let me close the entire app and come back again. Um, VMware. Okay. So let me try and just bring up Kali alone. This has to be one of the most boring streams that I have had in like a while. Oh man, that's crazy, guy. That's crazy. You're using an i3. How many gig RAM? How many gig RAM and what's the storage? So you're learning web development. The guy said fun fact. Does not even it won't run your codes like super good. You can't do like every task on that laptop. I tell you. So you're using code pen and online compiler for basics, bro. That's like next level form of patience, bro. Okay, so I think my machine is coming up. Yeah, I think it's coming up. It's getting better. CodePen, CodePen and online compiler. Man, so wait, your high three it's a Windows 7. Where did you get that thing from? where did you get where did you get that thing from, bro? Windows 7. Come on. But you have a good phone. But yet you can't trade one for one. That's just the problem. You can't trade a good phone for a good laptop. You have to have both. You have to manage to have both. Cheers to your mom. Okay. Oh, you should have a plan to buy new. Definitely. Definitely. I'm rooting for you, guy. I see. I think I want to like connect to you in person. I will drop my. I'm gonna drop my Twitter handle in the comments like now. Send me a DM. Yes, so I think my machine is like it's coming up. My machine is coming up. Okay, load, 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 load. This has to be like one of those streams because initially when I started the stream, I had like I had like a couple of setbacks. I had to like take my time and calm down, do some things the right way. If not, uh, at least if cybersecurity has taught me nothing, it's definitely has taught me patience. Yes, I'm using a virtual box. I'm using a virtual box. I have like couple of machines. I use VMware because I don't like virtual box, so I use VMware. So I have Kali, I have Parrot, I have some vulnerable machines, I have Pond Labs, which under OS, and I have PF Sense for Firewall. Okay, so let me bring up my machine. I have spent a lot of time. I have wasted a lot of time. So let me sudo su. My machine is still not responding. And I'm not even connected to the internet. It's like, what the heck is wrong? So I think I honestly don't think I want to. I don't think I'm gonna do anything today. To be very honest. Sudo so movable devices. So let me try breached if I'm going to be able to get internet connection to this machine. I'm still not getting anything. Oh really? So I think I'm just going to stay for the next couple of minutes. I won't be able to do anything because I need to figure out what is wrong with my machine. So this is my face. So yeah, I'm actually from Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian actually. What about you? Yeah, I've been like I have like a couple of Indian friends too. You guys are like super super good in anything tech. And then I think I was told at some point that tech in India is actually like a form of poverty alleviation. I don't know how true that is, but it seems like it actually does. But India is a very nice place. Maybe not part of India, right? But to an extent, I know that India has like great minds. So apparently, I'm not like working, yeah. But if I'm going to be working, I would be doing majorly pen testing, cloud pen testing. That's like hacking the cloud, and defending the cloud at the same time. So that's like a mix of blue and red team, which makes it purple team. So I'll be able to most of the time if it's just like when I'm trying to like solve labs on live, and sometimes I'll be able to like from maybe I think the very first lab that I did on the stream, I was able to use a low privileged account to get to an account that had the permission to create username and password for an admin account. So I was able to find my ways from being a low level account to being the admin account, and I was able to like steal data with the admin account. So that's like enumeration pen testing, yeah. And there are times I'll be able to what's the word now, defend or maybe find vulnerabilities, and I have to like patch it. I have to like fix them so that when it is time for me to like work in real world scenarios or real life scenarios, I have an idea of what to do. And it's better when I am able to find it, or when people in the field are able to find it, than when perpetrators or bad people will be able to find it. You understand? So there's a mix of blue and red. But I do not work at the moment. Actually, I do not work. From where did you start? Did you start first, like studying or learning skills? I think maybe everybody I'm not sure how it works for everybody, but even before I began to understand the theory, even if I began to understand the theory, I was already going about learning practical things. So it was like kind of hard not knowing exactly what you are doing because you're just like jumping into the field. It's just like you're going to a battlefield and you you are handed you are given a gun, right? And you do not know how to shoot a gun. So you have to like learn how to like shoot the gun before you can go into battle. So yeah, I think I started learning the skills first before I was able to get better understanding of what it is that I do. So I think that for everybody, yeah, you are meant to like understand the basics first before. I'm still like trying to fix my machine, but I do not know what's going on. Yeah, it can be so amazing. How that you're trying to like you're doing something, you know it is working, right? You know it is working, but you do not understand how the whole thing works. Um, Trying to keep track of time. Yeah, you learn, put your mind to it. Be very good at it. There's that joy and pride that comes with when you are good at what you do and you understand what it is that you do. There's that joy and pride in it. How can you imagine? So you didn't even understand what you were doing, you were just copying and pasting. Yeah, it was just like when I also just started out and I was able to like use AI. There were some things I needed to do, but just because I didn't understand perfectly, I'll just go to AI and you know just copy from the guy and paste. Yes, I'm going to end the stream in like 2 minutes, 3 minutes actually. For today, yeah, I'm always streaming. I'm going to be streaming every day. I've been streaming for the past I've been streaming for the past 13 days, 12 days. Today is my 13th day, and I have 87 days to go. Oh, thank you very much, bro. You actually made my evening. You made my evening, bro. Don't forget to send me a DM on Twitter or on X. I'm gonna my my ads, my handle in the I'm gonna put my handle in the comments or in the chat. Just send me a DM. Yes, so I really would like to say a very big thank you to everybody that tuned in. Today did not go as planned again, as the first few days happened. But yeah, I'm not like super happy about today though. But anyways, we move, right. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I was able to like average about 82 views on the stream today. It keeps growing. Yesterday's stream was like maybe not the highest, but like maybe the second highest views that I've had like all through the stream. So I'll be back again tomorrow by 8. I'll get my machines working. I'm gonna be preparing for my exam. the assessment I have tomorrow afternoon. So I will have to like read enough so that I have, because I have people that are actually like, you guys believe in me so much. If you do not believe in me, you will not be coming to come and see my face every blessed day. So I'm like super honored to have you guys, right? So yeah, I'll be back again tomorrow after my tests, after my assessments. It's a test too, though. After my assessments, and I've gotten everything fixed, and I'll be back to come and do the lab actually. So I really want to say a very big thank you for showing up tonight, and I'm sorry if it seems as though I wasted your time, but this guy kept me company. This Bappy guy kept me company. I'm really hyped to see if he would have messaged me on Twitter. He's actually a very cool person. So this is what I'm going to be ending the stream for this evening. See you tomorrow.